Question number 8, David Clendon.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Order.
Mr. Speaker, my question is to the Minister of Justice and asks, why is she proposing changes that may deny people legal representation in the family court?
Honourable Judith Collins.
Mr. Speaker, the member's question is unfortunately misconceived. Where people need legal representation in the family court, they will get it. This is not changing.
Honourable David Clendon, supplementary question.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Given research shows 88% of New Zealanders in the family court...
Order. I'm sorry. I can't hear the supplementary question. Can we have a bit of decorum from particularly this side of the House? David Clendon.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Given research showing that 88% of New Zealanders in the family court elected to be represented by a lawyer, why is she denying them that chance when the family court's own website says self-litigation in the court, and I quote, requires a substantial understanding of the legal process?
Honourable Judith Collins.
Mr. Speaker, again, unfortunately, the member's question is misconceived. Most of the cases that will come into the family court relating to care of children matters will be able to move through to the mediation in the FDR process, which was in fact suggested by the expert reference group set up to look at the family court system. And in fact, what we're looking at is up to 6 different sessions of mediation to help people resolve their issues. And unfortunately, that person... Mr. Speaker, point of order.
Point of order. Honourable Judith Collins.
Mr. Speaker, I'd ask that member to be asked to withdraw and apologise for that comment.
If the member's taken offence, then the member who made the comment should stand and withdraw and apologise.
I'd like to know what the comment is that the member's taken offence at.
I don't need to repeat the comment, but I heard it. The Minister has taken offence. The member will stand, withdraw and apologise.
Apologise.
Thank you. Honourable Judith Collins, if you want to complete that answer.
Mr. Speaker, after 6 sessions of mediation, then a judge will be able to actually triage the matter. So if it is a simple matter about where, for instance, Johnny's going to spend this weekend...
Point of order. Point of order. Right, Honourable.
Mr. Speaker, the Minister began by saying the question for the second time was misconceived. The question regards the issue of legal representation at the family court. At no point, even now, after that long answer, has she got anywhere near addressing the issue of the absence of legal representation.
I think the Minister is certainly attempting to address the question. It's difficult because of the intercept, and it certainly is absolutely appropriate for the member to stand and start the question by saying she doesn't accept the arguments that have been put forward. Honourable Judith Collins, if you wish to finish.
Yes, I would like to say to the member, Mr. Speaker, that if he would like to have a full briefing, which I understand that he's on the Select Committee, he's working really hard on it, that I can provide that to him with more of the detail that he might not already have.
Supplementary question, David Clendon.
While I'm sure that the Select Committee and others would appreciate information that is clearly not in the bill, what is her response to the 6 Christchurch Family Court judges who warned that explosive, violent incidents will be more likely to occur, leading to an increase in domestic violence and an increasing risk to the safety of court staff and judges?
Honourable Judith Collins.
Mr. Speaker, that was an opinion expressed by a judge, but there was no evidence to support it. And it seemed to be that he was speaking about lawyers apparently stopping their clients becoming violent in court. Well, I've never seen that happen yet.
Supplementary question, David Clendon.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Why does the Minister dismiss the concerns of Whangarei lawyer Dr Christopher Perry and the 4,740 other concerned New Zealanders who signed a petition asking for her reforms to be scrapped?
Honourable Judith Collins.
Mr. Speaker, because the petition included completely incorrect statements, and actually I thought that the comments by that particular person were in fact not only misconceived, but actually it was all about self-interest.
Point of order. I'm dealing with a point of order from David Clendon. Does the member want to table some documents?
Sir, I seek leave to table a document. The document is titled The Impact on New Zealand Families' Access to Justice, during
Source-
austerity-driven reform.
Source of the document, please.
The author is Maria Casimiro, a family law barrister and mediator, and the document's dated 11th of March this year.
Leavers sought to table that document. Is there any objection? There appears to be none. It can be tabled. Question number 9, the Honourable David